Welcome back to Physics Teacher and the last episode in the Cryptography for Beginners series, Keyword Ciphers. If you haven't seen the first two videos on letter groupings and shift ciphers, I would recommend starting there. Here, our cipher is in letter grouping and we see a similar chart from our shift cipher video. However, we won't be shifting this time. Instead, we need a keyword. The keyword to decipher this test is math rocks, and we write that in first. Then we fill the rest in with the alphabet in order, skipping the letters that were used in the keyword. Finally, we can match the cipher text with the plain text to discover its meaning. I hope you liked this series, and please consider subscribing for more math and physics lessons, practice, and fun applications.